Hello everyone. Welcome to the Comforting Zone. Today I will show you some cool gadgets you can buy online. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's jump into the video.
When it comes to high-tech, precision-crafted, smart security, there's one brand that sets itself apart: VAULTEK. Now inject VAULTEK's signature safe technology into a weatherproof polymer case, and you have none other than the LifePod. LifePods are water-resistant, airtight, dust-proof, rugged lock boxes that even float in water when loaded with belongings, thanks to exterior compression latches and an interior rubber gasket seal. But the heart of a LifePod is the built-in lock system. The touch-sensitive SmartSense digital keypad responds to quick, simple taps to unlock. And when security is needed, a simple press and hold of the lock pad engages the internal lock, making LifePods ideal for safe pistol storage, personal travel gear, and more.
Upright is the world's #1 smart posture trainer. When you slouch, it vibrates, and you straighten up. We hack back health. Improve your posture. Get a stronger back with Upright. Look better and feel at your best. Better posture steps up your game and makes you focused and productive. Clinically validated. 30 days money-back guarantee. Free shipping. Over 15,000 5-star reviews. Get Upright now.
One of the biggest problems in our society is food waste. But now, also you can make a difference, starting from your refrigerator. For example, those Evers that are so healthy, but then you forgot about them and it was too late. And we know you can't go every day to buy your groceries, and no matter how hard you try, they don't last more than a week. Or that special offer on those strawberries, but then you had to go away that weekend. All goes to the same place: trash. 20% of food is wasted every year. This waste is responsible for 10% of CO2 emissions globally. And this brings us to climate change that is affecting our daily life, making our planet poorer and making us poorer too. An average US household loses almost $2,000 in wasted food every year. The solution? Shelfy. A revolutionary device for you. Simply press the button, put it in your refrigerator, and it will help you save food and money by keeping your food fresh and edible longer, increasing shelf life up to 12 days. Advanced nanomaterials to destroy microorganisms that are the main cause of food deterioration. This also reduces the bacterial load and bad odors. And you don't need to change the filter, just wash it underwater. And Shelfy is super easy to recharge. It features a powerful battery that can work up to 30 days. And just choose between full speed, standard. Hey Alexa, put Shelfy in eco mode please. It's also super smart and has a door opening sensor, so it knows how many times you open your refrigerator. And thanks to our app, you can understand how to save energy.
The need to measure will always be there. From straight lines to curves, compound surfaces, and everything in between. That's why we created ROLLOVA, the world's first compact digital rolling ruler. We are introducing a new way to measure by removing the complexities of a traditional ruler. The ROLLOVA is compact and simple to use. Just press and hold the button on the back and roll it across a surface. It creates and saves accurate measurements you can count on in the unit of your choice. Whether you're a designer or a tech lover, ROLLOVA is for everyone. The rolling ruler is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. ROLLOVA comes with a genuine leather case that fits onto your keychain in a second. Embrace this winning combination of high-quality materials, precision machined stainless steel frame, and a stunning minimalistic design. ROLLOVA provides measuring capabilities in a range of units. Using a revolutionary user interface, you can join us and make this epitome of convenience a reality.
This is Treed Honeycomb Charger, a better way to charge. 3D printed from recycled cornstarch filament, 15-watt wireless Qi charging and MagSafe compatibility. Completely sustainable charging without regrets. Great for your work desk or as a charging stand. Just put your phone on and let it be. The greatest part? You can choose from over 1,000 color combinations.
Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.